everyone, and welcome back to yet another crafting tutorial. Firstly, let's make Paperplate Octopus. Alright guys, so as you can see, we need to paint a plate in blue color taken as the background and a popsicle stick for gluing the fishes onto it. Now to make the octopus, let's paint a plate in orange color. Now we need to cut the semicircular part for the head and the other part for the legs of the octopus. Here I am using a black marker pen to draw the legs and then cut it out. So now we need to stick them together and stick it onto the popsicle stick. Here I am using a glue gun, but you can use a normal paper glue also. Now to put it onto the blue plate, cut a slit using a pen knife and insert the popsicle stick through it. Alright guys, and there it is, Paperplate Octopus. Now let's try making jellyfish using paper plate. So here, as you can see, I am coloring a paper plate in yellow and cutting out strips of violet crepe paper. As we have done for the octopus, let's cut it out in semicircular shape for the head and stick the strips behind the head using sellotape. And here I am using same black marker to draw the eyes. And here again, as previously done, let's glue the popsicle stick behind and insert it into the blue paper plate as I'll be showing here. And here's a easy paper plate jellyfish. Now let's try a clownfish using paper plate. So as you can see, I am cutting out a circle and few triangle-like shapes. Draw the eyes and lines using a marker pen and color it in orange. And now I am sticking on the fins using a glue gun. You can also use a paper glue for this. And now guys, just like before, we are sticking on to the popsicle stick and inserting it into the slit given on the blue paper plate. So now guys, using all these you can make an aquarium as well. For that, take a larger plate. Here I am using a big plastic plate and color it in blue for the background water. After that, I am using green paper for the seaweeds. And after cutting it out, I am sticking it onto the plate. You can also add shells and stones onto it. And just like we had done onto the blue paper plate, let's make slits to insert the fishes. And there it is guys, the paper plate aquarium is done. Guys, these are really easy crafts for kids, especially for their school projects. Try them out and let me know through the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.